In this guide, I'm going to explain whether you can turn off two-factor authentication for your Apple ID or not. Let's get started. It's important to know that Apple no longer allows most users to turn off two-factor authentication once it has been enabled. If your Apple ID has had two-factor authentication enabled for more than a short grace period after activation, the feature becomes permanent to help keep your account secure. This means you won't find an option in the Settings app or on Apple's website to disable it. If you recently turned on two-factor authentication, you may still be able to turn it off within the limited grace period by opening the verification email Apple sent when you enable the feature and selecting the option to return to your account to its previous security settings. However, if that option is no longer available, two-factor authentication cannot be disabled for your Apple ID. If you're having trouble receiving verification codes, you can still manage your trusted devices and phone numbers. Launch settings on your iPhone, click on your username, click on sign in and security. From there, you can update your trusted phone number, add another trusted number, or review the devices connected to your Apple ID. This helps ensure you can always receive verification codes when signing in. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.